explain me and 20% of Manjunath. So mostly I think I would turn into my mom.
She does have certain qualities of dad also, but if she should turn into someone, probably it'll be mom only. They're like this right now.
I like how my brother's like they're like this right now. What does that mean? I think it would be because, I don't know, someone bullied me and he protected me or something like that, because I think he's a very protective brother and a very stand-up kind of guy. So it's happened in the past, so I wouldn't be surprised.
Because I got angry on someone who cut me on the road, probably, I don't know.
Okay, her answer is protecting me because somebody bullied her and you have confronted them.
Actually, that's already happened a couple of times, so that is true maybe, but now I think Pooja is a little better at handling things on her own. She's pretty, she doesn't need anyone's help right now.
Sweet.
But other than
Not bad.
I hate wet bathroom floors, like wet toilet floors. It just gives me like the. I don't think he's gonna guess my pet peeve.
Pet peeve. There's quite a few. Her biggest would. She doesn't like, probably when someone tells her something many times. She doesn't like, someone pushing her or telling her certain things multiple times, then she gets irritated and she gets stressed out at times. But yeah, I think that would be her biggest thing. Otherwise,
I think that's the wrong answer. Instead of wet bathroom or a toilet.
He got that wrong.
this was a very common thing. I'm very sure now you all have changed the answer.
Hey, no, we didn't change any answer. This is
What is
legit.
that one thing?
I don't think anything's like, I feel like everything's replaceable as long as the people at home are safe and happy. I think that's the most valuable thing for me. I don't want to sound cliche, but it is true. Everything is replaceable. Maybe if like there was a fire, I would save my photographs, like my old family photographs.
I would like to say family. I mean, like Vin Diesel type, but what is precious to her in the house would.
So we got that right,
What?
family.
Oh, very materialistic also.
Definitely him. He got beaten up more.
Oh, definitely me. No chance she'll say her name.
Yeah, she said that. That's true.
But who got beaten up by him as a child? Me. I was the little. We used to watch WWE, and he used to try all these. Get very inspired by the show and try like choke slam and then sit on me and like, yeah, we fought a lot. I think this is where we're gonna get answers wrong. I think maybe I was more stubborn as a kid, but I think now he is more stubborn. Like, yeah, I think my mother gave me enough chamats as a kid and got the stubborn out of me. So I think now it's my brother.
Who's more stubborn? Pooja.
He
Like,
said
at the end of the day,
same.
yeah, I would still come around. Pooja was more stubborn. Now, probably they're the same.
So evil.
Said that earlier it was her, but now it's you.
Not so much, but no. I think it's her only.
Him.
Me.
That's right. She
Definitely.
said it's you. Not bad.
The truth is the truth. The truth may hurt, but it is the truth. Me. I would say I'm the true foodie. He pretends to be the true foodie, but he's not at all adventurous with his food and he can actually eat anything.
Both of us. I'll say both of us. She gets to experiment more actually because she travels more. But both of us are foodies. So in that sense, maybe she's got a slight edge over me. but both, actually the whole family is on foodie much.
But her answer is that it's her and you pretend to be a foodie.
That's because she keeps going everywhere. I keep telling her, next time I'm going to come with her only everywhere for this.
I know that he's gonna say that nobody is anybody's favorite and that my parents are very, very equal and all of that. But I think that I am mom's favorite and that my brother is my dad's favorite.
The thing is that Pooja thinks I'm dad's favorite, and
true though. He is
I think that mom's favorite is Pooja. That's all.
Bang on, bro.
But I in reality, actually, they just know whom to give what at what times. They know how to have that semblance of balance.
That's also true.
That's it.
Yeah, I think my parents are partial to each one of us in different things also. Yeah. I think we would wait and let the other person have the pizza.
There'll be a fight between the two of us, definitely.
And then the pizza would just be lying there, and then finally we would just split it. I don't know, I think our mum was very, very keen on we should share everything we have.
I'll overpower.
Oh my god, he's
It's
I'll
pizza.
overpower.
So you would actually give the piece to another person and end up sharing.
No. I'll take
Oh
it.
my god. Sid, you just wait now.
So,
Wish you a very, very happy Raksha Bandhan. Sorry, Anna, I couldn't be there today as I am shooting in Chennai. But I think it was great to see us do this because I got to know what you think of me. And just wait, as soon as this video is done, I'm giving you a call. But to the rest of you, happy Raksha Bandhan Day.